One thing is for sure, black people will always have squabbles amongst each other. Black people will always fight amongst each other, just like any other groups will always fight amongst each other. We will always have internal beefs, and we will always have people disagreeing with others. But the most important thing that we as black people need to understand is that there are certain things that are fundamental that it is impossible for us to disagree on. There are things that are obvious that all of us know that we cannot disagree on. We can continue to fight amongst each other and not see from the same point of view. But it is going to be of utmost importance for us black people to understand that as much as we fight amongst each other, there are certain things that we cannot disagree on. And if we can unite based on those things that we know that we cannot disagree on, then we will start to see some progress. But the problem with us Africans is that we go from disagreeing about petty little issues and then we reach conclusions on things that are very fundamental and very important for all of us. So we let the petty issues cloud our judgment, and we end up being divided on even the things that we don't disagree on. It is time for us to grow up and to learn that we don't have to like each other. We don't have to agree with each other on everything. But we need to understand that on the things where we all suffer, on the things where we are all left at the bottom, on the things where we all agree on, we need to unite no matter what, no matter who is at the helm. Because as long as we do not understand that, the other people from other nations who dominate us on our own land will continue to do so. Vuka tata.